How are you all? Yes, now it's time for our grammar period, and we are going to combine fourth and fifth lesson, so it will be easy for you to understand what is common noun and proper noun. Okay, so let's start with the common noun. Acha, tell me, can you see in your screen, on your screen? Yes. Can you see boys and girls working in the classroom? Yes. There are three boys in the picture. One is holding a ribbon, another one is blowing a balloon, and another one is holding a book. Right? Yes. One is, suppose one is Raj, we will name these boys. One is Raj, one is Rohan, and one is Ram. Okay. So are we going to say there is Ram in the class, there is Raj in the class, and there is Rohan in the class? No. What you are going to say? There are three boys in the class. Okay. So what we have done? हमने क्या किया? हमने कॉमनली इन तीनों को एक नाम दिया. तीनों को हमने क्या नाम दिया? Boys. Yes. Now there are two girls in the class. There is Sita and Geeta. Right? So are we going to say there is Sita in the class and there is Geeta in the class? No. There are two girls in the class. So what we have done? We have given a name to these two girls. That is girls. Yes. So that is a common noun. Okay. अब कॉमन नाउन हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स हो सकते हैं लाइक नोज, आईज, ईयर्स. इट कैन बी कॉमन नाउन. Any place, it can be a garden, it can be the name, it doesn't have a name. Okay, so it can be object, it can be person, it can be things. So these are all considered as common noun. See down, there is a box in the at the end of this page that is in the red color. We'll read it out. A common noun is a general name for any place, person, animal or thing. Understood? Yes. Now let's see. A common noun always begin with small letter. Yes, common noun begin with a small letter. Okay. Now you have to, let's do this quick activity. You have to do this by your own. The first one I'll do it for you. Okay? Yes. See the common noun in this. Pratik, cows, India, Diwali. Now tell me which is the common noun? Cows. Yes. Now you have to do the remaining three. Okay. Let's go to the next topic. Let's understand. Some more types of common nouns are given below. Names of parts of the body. So body parts is also considered as common nouns such as nose, hands, eyes, ears, feet. So everything, feet is everything considered as common noun. Yes. Names of types of animals, birds, insects. All kind of animals, birds, insects are considered as common noun. Dog, parrot, bees, monkeys, cats. These are all common noun. Names of fruits, vegetables and flowers. All the fruits, all the vegetables are considered as yes, these are considered as common noun. Names of objects like table, chair, ball, bat, these are also considered as common noun. General names of same kind of people like boy, grandmother, doctor, grandfather, this is considered as common noun. Now let's go to the exercise now. Let's solve this exercise. Question number 1. Mark and name the clothes and things that the girl is wearing. Choose from the help box. There is one help box given. Skirt, belt, hairband, shoes, blouse and socks. Now you have to find that word and you have to write it in the box. We have done this. First is skirt. Is it skirt? No. The first will be hairband. So write hairband in the first box. Yes. Now second is blouse. Can you see the blue color blouse the girl has worn? Yes. So you have to write blouse. Third, belt. Can you see the belt? Yes. Next is skirt. Can you see the skirt in the pink color? Yes. Write skirt. Next, socks. And last is shoes. Done? Yes. Let's go to the second question. The names of all the food items that Rahul ate for breakfast, lunch, and dinner yesterday are given in the grid below. Find at least 7 food items that he ate or drank and write them in the space provided below. There is one boy named Rahul, and he has whatever he has ate for lunch, dinner, and breakfast. You have to find those words in this grid and you have to write in the space given beside. Can you see? You have to write 7 words there. Okay, this is your homework. You have to complete it, and whenever I'll ask you to bring your books, you have to bring this book also for checking. Okay, so the question number 2 is also homework for you. Let's go to the question number 3. Pick out common nouns from the following sentences and write them in the given space. One has been done for you. I am reading a history book. What is a common noun here? Book. Correct. So that is done for you. Second, Amit plays with a bat, a ball, and his robot. Now, what is a common noun here? Bat, ball, and robot. Correct. Third one, Raju's car, in which he had kept a computer, a cell phone, and a purse, was stolen. So, what is the common noun? Yes, car, computer, cell phone, and purse. These are all objects, no? So, this will be considered as common noun. Correct. Next, we carry books, notebooks, pens, pencils, lunchbox, and water bottle when we go to the school. You're missing school, no? Even you all carry these things in the school. Yes. So what are the common noun? Books, notebooks, pen, pencil, lunchbox, and water bottle. Correct. Next, all festivals are celebrated by people in towns, cities, and villages. So what is the common noun? Festivals, towns, cities, villages. Because बहुत सारे festivals होते हैं होली, दिवाली, बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, तो हम उन फेस्टिवल्स को कैटेगराइज अलग अलग नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम इन सारे जो त्यौहार हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं हम उसे फेस्टिवल बोलते हैं. सो दैट इज़ अ कॉमन नाउन. हमने सारे फेस्टिवल्स को एक नाम दिया है. सारे त्योहारों को हम क्या कहते हैं? त्योहार. मतलब सारे साल भर जो सेलिब्रेशंस होते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? त्योहार. फेस्टिवल. सो फेस्टिवल इज अ कॉमन नाउन. Okay, that's why festivals, towns, cities, villages is considered as common noun. Days of a week, month, and months of a year are all important for calendars. So week, month, year, calendar, ये सारे common noun होते हैं. तो समझ में आया? Is it easy common noun? Yes. Now, as I have told you that we will be doing the lesson number 5th also, because both lessons are related and it will be easy for you to understand common noun and proper noun. अब common noun क्या था? Common noun में हमने हर एक चीज़ को एक नाम दिया है. मतलब जैसे कि फेस्टिवल, जैसे मैंने अभी रिसेंट एग्जाम्पल दिया, जितने भी सेलिब्रेशन साल भर होते हैं हमने क्या किया? उसे एक नाम दिया, फेस्टिवल. करेक्ट. अब हम प्रॉपर नाउन में क्या कर रहे हैं? हमें प्रॉपर नाउन कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है कि फेस्टिवल ये कॉमन नाउन हो गया. होली, दिवाली, गणेश चतुर्थी, रक्षाबंधन, सो दीज आर ऑल व्हाट? दीज आर प्रॉपर नाउन. ठीक है. अगर आपको मैंने पूछा कि आपके घर में कितने लोग रहते हैं, हाउ मैनी पीपल आर देयर इन योर हाउस, सो आप क्या कहोगे? I stay with my grandfather, I stay with my grandmother, my father, my mother and my brother or sister. तो ये ब्रदर, सिस्टर, ग्रैंड मदर, ग्रैंड फादर, ये सब क्या हो गया? ये कॉमन नाउन हो गया. लेकिन जब हम उनका नाम लेके बात करते हैं तब हम क्या बोलेंगे? दैट इज प्रॉपर नाउन. लेट्स सी. लुक एट द पिक्चर गिवन बिलो एंड नाउ रीड द सेंटेंस. Ravi is playing with a bat. What is the name of that man? That boy? Ravi. So what is the proper noun here? Ravi. Because उस इंसान का यहाँ पर नाम दिया है. जब कोई भी प्लेस, पीपल और थिंग, उन चीज़ों का नाम दिया है, तब प्रॉपर नाम अगर दिया है तो वी कॉल इट अ प्रॉपर नाउन. Mrs. Joshi is cooking. Mrs. Joshi is cooking. Who's cooking in the kitchen? Yes, Mrs. Joshi is cooking in the kitchen. So Ravi and Mrs. Joshi refer to specific people. हम proper लोगों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So those are proper noun. Specific names of people, places or things are called as proper noun. Proper noun always begin with capital letter. Yes. Common noun में हमने देखा था कि common noun begin with a small letter, but proper noun begins with capital letter. Yes. For example, Mumbai, India, Tommy, Washington. Washington place का नाम है, टॉमी डॉग का नाम है, इंडिया कंट्री का नाम है, मुंबई प्लेस का नाम है. So these are noun. Okay, so let's do this activity. They went to dash for summer vacation. आप जहाँ पर भी गए हो, आपको जो नाम लिखना है, मुंबई, पुणे, दिल्ली, whatever you want to write, you can write in this in the given blank. They went to, I'll take Mumbai here. They went to Mumbai for summer vacation. अब मुंबई ये proper जगह का नाम आया, so that's why Mumbai. His friends dash came over for sleepover. अब यहाँ पे हमें किसी भी फ्रेंड का, एक फ्रेंड का नाम लिखना है. So I'll take Raj here. His friend Raj came home for sleepover. We are using a proper name here. Dash is my favorite book. You can write any of your favorite book. So Dash is my favorite book. The Taj Mahal is the city of... Yes, the Taj Mahal is the city of... What? The Taj Mahal is the city of... Don't know. Taj Mahal is... The Taj Mahal is in the city of Agra. Yes. Dash is a festival of colors. Now, which is the festival of colors? Yes, Holi. So now let's understand. Some more proper nouns are given below. Like names of people. मतलब हम हमारे आजू बाजू किसी भी इंसान का नाम, हमारे फ्रेंड का नाम, हमारे घर में जो रहते किसी भी इंसान का नाम, किसी भी पर्सन का नाम is considered as proper noun. So John, Mary, Atul, Raj, Rohan, Sita, Geeta, these are all proper noun. These are all names of people, so we name it as common noun. Yes. Names of villages, towns, cities, states, countries and continents is called as proper noun. For example, Lucknow, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, India, America, the continents as well, China, Asia, everything is considered as proper noun. Yes. Names of mountains, rivers, lakes, valleys, seas and oceans is also considered as proper noun. Like the Himalayas, the Yamuna, the Chilka Lake, Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean, these are all proper noun. Names of the days of the week, months, festivals, as I have explained it earlier, special days is considered as proper noun. For example, Monday, July, Diwali, Annual Day, Holi, or Tuesday, September, January, October, everything is considered as proper noun. Names of the books, newspapers, subjects, magazines and language. Champak, English, The Times of India, Russian, this is considered as proper noun. Okay? Yes. Now let's do this. Question number 1. Write down the names of the following people in your family. अब आपके घर में आपके family members का जो नाम है आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है. For example, you have to write the name of your grandmother, grandfather, sister, father, mother and brother. You have to write the names of these people in your family. Okay? Yes. Question number 2. Circle the proper noun in the following sentence with a red pencil. Anita went to the Wave Theatre to see a film. Anita एक लड़की का नाम है और Wave Theatre एक theatre का नाम है. So Anita went to the Wave Theatre to see a film. Now what is a proper noun here? Yes, Anita is a proper noun and Wave Theatre is a proper noun. So underline these two words. Yes, next one. The Shatabdi Express and Rajdhani Express are very fast trains. The names of the trains is given in this sentence. So underline the name of a train. Yes, Shatabdi Express and Rajdhani Express, these are proper noun. Next, Indu's pet dog is called Bruno. Whose pet dog? Indu's pet dog. So Indu is also a proper noun. And what is the name of her dog? Bruno. So Bruno is also a proper noun. So underline Bruno and Indu. Yes. Next, Amul Dairy was started in a town called Anand in Gujarat. Now Amul Dairy, this is the name of a product. So Amul, it's a dairy's name. So Amul, you have to underline Amul. And where it was started? Yes, the names of villages and towns is also considered as proper noun. So you have to underline Anand. Yes, Anand is a small town in Gujarat. The Alps, and the Himalayas are high mountain ranges. So you have to underline Alps, Andes, and Himalayas. You have to underline that. Last, all days from Monday to Saturday come after Sunday. You have to underline the names of the weeks. So Monday, Saturday, and Sunday. You have to underline this 3. Okay, done? Yes. Now question number 3 and question number 4 is homework for you. What you have to do, the help box is given there. You have to sort out the proper and common noun and place them in their correct letter box. प्रॉपर नाउन क्या है, आपको प्रॉपर नाउन के सेक्शन में लिखना है, और जो कॉमन नाउन है वो आपको कॉमन नाउन के सेक्शन में लिखना है. दिस इज योर होमवर्क एंड आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस बोथ द लेसन्स. दीज आर वेरी ईजी and we have done it already in grade 1, so I hope this is a revision for you all. Okay, so you have to do this. Now question number 4. Imagine you have a magic lamp. When you rub it, a genie appears and gives you 4 pets: a horse, a cat, a parrot, and a monkey. Write the names you would give to the pets and also to the genie. So you have to write the names of the cat, the parrot, the monkey, the genie, and the horse which the genie has given you. So this is also a homework, and now you have to complete this both the lessons, and you have to show it, and you have to practice this because these lessons are going to come for the examination. Okay, that's it for today.